Yeah, exactly.
So,
like the Fiero is a love-hate car. There's some people that love it, but most people hate it. So it's not worth anything.
yeah.
And then that's why. And then you get all this equipment, and all the hard work is done. I just had to diagnose a couple things. The public charging's not working yet. I'll get that working, and then I'll probably turn around because I don't love it either. I think it's cool. It's interesting.
Yeah.
But I'll probably turn that around and sell it at a reasonable price. Someone will benefit,
Yeah.
to work.
Yeah.
But and you know what the cool thing about a class like this is that I still am friends with the people that taught in that and were students in that class originally, 2008.
Yeah. That's a long time ago, and you still keep in contact with them, huh?
Yeah, and then a couple of them ended up working. Actually, I think Roselli was originally.
Oh yeah.
He knew Mr. Q, and Mr. Q's still around. He lives close to Balboa Park. He's like the nicest guy ever,
He's still around. Maybe we can get him for the podcast here, and we can interview him.
Dude, here's the problem. He has.
Oh, here's another one that we have to get. Just so that Brian sees, we have to try and get Alan Cacconi. He's here in San Dimas.
Wait, who's that?
Alan Cacconi is the guy that started AC Propulsion, which sold.
Oh, that would be amazing. Let's do that.
Yeah, he sold technology to Elon Musk to start Tesla. Right?
Would love to know the story. You know who probably knows a little bit about him? There's a guy, I don't know, I think they're maybe in Texas, I'm not sure. It's called Gruber Motors. Have you heard of them?
Gruber Motors?
They service roadsters.
Oh, yeah, I've seen the video. Yeah, I've seen the video. That should be pretty good.
And that guy had an original AC propulsion car in his collection, and it got killed in a fire. But he knows all about AC propulsion.
Yes.
That would be a cool, because he kind of has, that's the thing that I feel like is missing, and I'm glad we're doing this thing where we're talking about it, is what's missing is that where did all this start?
Yeah.
Like, you and I have been messing around with this for like a decade, but like, before that, there were some people that did it before us, and like, they don't get any credit, and we don't hear about them at all. And I'm like, they're still alive. You could talk to them, like Mr. Q, he ran these classes, and then AC propulsion. Like,
he was a pioneer. Yeah, like that's crazy. That's a long time ago.
Yeah. And then, do you know Michael Brown, who wrote the original book on how to convert your car?
No, I don't know.
Hold on.
I'm not a book guy, remember? I learn by doing.
No, I'm with you. I know.
By watching examples.
Learn by doing books. Hey, if you got 2 seconds, I got to get this thing. Hold on.
Yes. Yeah, did you hear that, Brian, about Alan Cacconi?
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, because that dude is here in San Dimas. And that dude is literally the guy that started electric cars. He sold that technology to Tesla and became
AC propulsion?
AC Propulsion, yeah.